another good thing that I like that Cloud has started is the maintenance escrow. I don't know if drivers are scared to take advantage of that, but that is. I started at 50. I just only did the 50 a week but I mean, gosh, it added up so fast. It's because I'm at like 800 right now. And I guess, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know how I got there that fast, to be honest, but it's there. So, and I've used it once. I blew a tire and, I contacted Vicky and I got, help on the tire immediately. I don't even miss it. It comes out. And I hope I don't have to use it for a long time. I'm trying to get it up pretty high. I look at it like another savings account, honestly. That's how I look at it. The fuel discounts, that's major because that's our bottom line. So, when I started here, I was trying to use Mud Flap. I was using Truck Smarter and everything. And since y'all started y'all's own fuel thing, that's helped tremendously as well.